People said it couldn't be done. I doubted myself, but I did it. A friend challenged me to spend 45 seconds in the fridge. Here's how it went. Ugh. It's chilly in there, guys, but I did it.